In this video, I'm going to show you one SBI promo code official or an official one SBI promo code to use. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you are searching for an official one SBI promo code to use, click on registration after logging in, after coming to your one SBI account and choose by email address. You're going to fill in your details from your surname, your name, your country. Put your date of birth and your email address and then create a password. To create a good password, you're going to follow these requirements. So once you follow the requirements to create a good password, you're going to come to a promo code box and use this official promo code which is Leo TV. This is an official promo code, Leo TV. If you use promo code, one is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300 as a bonus. Once that is done, click on these three boxes and register your account. After that, complete your first deposit and complete your verification. Once both of them has been done, you're going to receive your bonus sent away to your account.